This is a nice wide bike lane with the parking on the outside of the bike lane. There's a buffer, a painted buffer for doors, so that there's space for doors to open, and even then the bike lane is wide enough for cyclists to pass each other if it's possible, at least. Okay, Isaiah, doing a good job staying on your side of the line. Here, the white line really helps. Let's figure out which side of the line we should be on, especially for a 5-year-old. Go, go, go. We got a green light for cycling. Straight, straight, straight. Straight, straight. Go straight. Follow Samuel. Follow Samuel. Follow Samuel. Good job, good job.